is executive presence, and how would you rate yours? Well, very simply put, executive presence is your ability to come across as confident and competent. It's also your ability to positively influence and inspire. And remember, you don't need to be in an executive role to project executive presence. And it's also the ability to listen and to demonstrate leadership capabilities and competencies. Another way of looking at your overall leadership presence is that it's made up of your technical skills, your image. Are you seen as a leader? Are you seen as somebody that other people listen to? Are you seen as somebody who brings solutions to problems? And then there's a third aspect of your overall executive presence, and that's your exposure. Who do you connect with? Who knows about you? Who do you have access to? So think about a tie, your technical skills, your overall image as somebody who has leadership potential, capabilities, and then your exposure. Who other than your immediate circle knows of you, and who do you have access to? And one thing's for sure, wherever you are at in your career, you can learn to develop these skills so you come across as somebody who has greater executive presence. I'm Nadia Bilchik, and for information on my workshops and seminars and books, please go onto my website, nadiaspeaks.com.